Good evening. My name is Flotin, and today. I'll be talking about recursion, about the question on the recursion. So recursion is a powerful way to solve problems, especially those that can be broken down into smaller sub problems. But it does, but it does come with a few challenges. Mostly, I'll focus on the pitfalls. The pitfalls, one is the stack overflow. So the first major issue is the stack overflow. So each recursion calls its recall each recursion call takes up a slot in the call stack. So if the recursion goes too deep, for example due to a missing base case or a handling or a large input, it can crash the program by exceeding the stack limit. So how to overcome it is that you can how do you call it, so you can make sure that there is always a clear and reachable base case, and also use a tail recursion if your language optimizes for it. Some example like in some functional languages, and also even better switch to the iterative solution if the recursion gets too deep. For example, calculating a Fibonacci numbers here. Is it Fibonacci numbers here with iteration is far safer and more efficient than linear recursion. So mostly, and also the second one is repeated work or performance issues. So the second pitfall is redundant computation. So the redundant computation in a problem like in a problem like um computing Fibonacci numbers recursively, the same sub problems are solved over and over again. So this leads to exponential time complexity. So to solve it, you have to use a memoization. That means that the result of the function and course will be reused when the same input come up again. So this can be done manually with a catchy or by using decorators in some languages like Python. And also alternatively, you can use a dynamic program which solves the bottom up and avoids recursion entirely while keeping track of all the intermediate results. And also in summary, the recursion is elegant because it can be risky. And also the stack overflows and redundant computations are common pitfalls, but they can be solved with careful design, memoization, and also switching to the iterative and other dynamic program approaches we needed. So this is about the recursion.